For my 3-ingredient tzatziki, all we need is 4 or 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, some cucumber, and I like to use garlic granules. So the garlic granules give a more rounded flavour, and they're maybe not as harsh as fresh garlic. So that's why I like to use the granules. So with the cucumber, all we need to do is grate this on a coarse grater. Being careful not to grate your knuckles as well. We only want cucumber, not grated knuckles as well. Just get that off the bottom. Put the grater to one side. We can take our grated cucumber and that can go into our yogurt. And with that we add the garlic granules. Really it's to taste, so I'll add, if they come out, here they come. So I'll add roughly 2 tablespoons of garlic granules going in there. And I'll just get a spoon, give that a good stir around. And just give that a pinch of salt as well. And then just taste it to make sure that it's okay, that it's good. And that's absolutely fantastic. Really easy tzatziki, and there's really not any excuse for you buying stuff in the supermarket when it's that easy to make. So we can put that, again, cover that with cling wrap, put that in the fridge. It'll keep like this for a couple of days, providing that your yogurt's fresh yogurt.